Namaskar, I am Radha Rai of class 7A, and in this video I am going to talk about Amazon Basin and Ganga Brahmaputra Basin. The Amazon Basin is part of South America drained by Amazon River and its tributaries. It is located in the tropical region which extends from 10 degrees north to 10 degrees south, and it covers an area of more than 6 million kilometers square, which is about 35.5% of the South American continent. It covers a large part of the South American continent. Most of the basin is covered by Amazon rainforest, also known as Amazonia, which is the largest rainforest in the world. The Amazon River begins in the Andes Mountain at the west of the basin with its main tributaries, the Magdalene River and the Apurimac River. The highest point in the watershed of Amazon is the second biggest peak of Yerupaja. It is the largest basin and is located in Peru. Before it drains in the Atlantic Ocean, it covers 6,635 meters. It is one of the two longest rivers in the world. Some people believe that Amazon is longer than the Nile, but the debate is still going on. It transports the largest volume of water of any river system, accounting for about 20% of the total water carried to the ocean by the rivers. Plant growth is very dense here, and lot of animals inhabit the place. Very little sunlight reaches the ground due to dense roof canopy by plants. The ground remains dark and damp, and only shade-tolerant vegetation will grow here. More than 1,400 species of mammals are found in Amazonia, the majority of which are bats and rodents. A large mammals include jaguar, ocelot, capybara, puma, and South American tapir. About 1,500 species of birds inhabit the Amazon basin. Macaws are famous for duck gathering by hundreds along the cliff of the Amazon River. The green anaconda inhabits the shallow waters of the Amazon, and the emerald tree boa and boa constrictor inhabit the Amazon trees. More than 1,500 species of amphibians are also found here. There are many fish species here too, and most of these animals here are insects, of which 40% are beetles, whereas all Europe has 321 species of butterfly. Manu National Park in Peru has 2,300 species, while Tambopata National Reserve has 1,231 species. The Amazonia is sparsely populated. There are scattered settlements inland, but most of the population live in a few larger cities on the bank of Amazon River. In many regions, the forests have been cleared for soybean plantation and ranching. Some of the inhabitants harvest wild rubber latex and Brazilian nuts. There is a form of extractive farm where trees are not cut down. These are relatively sustainable operations in contrast to lumbering or agriculture dependent clearing the rainforest. The people live in thatched huts shaped like beehives. They also build apartments called maloca with a steeply slanting roof. Agriculture and commerce. Seasonal floods excavate and redistribute the nutrient-rich silt on the beaches and the islands, enabling dry season riverside agriculture of rice, bean and corn on the river shoreline without the addition of fertilizers. With addition of slash and bird agriculture on high floodplains, they mainly grow tapioca, pineapples and sweet potato. Their staple food is manioc, also called cassava, that grows underground like potato. Cash crops like coffee, maize and cocoa are also grown. Fishing provides additional food year-round, and free-range chickens need a little or no food beyond what can be foraged locally. Most of the fishing is done by men, while women take care of the crop. Charcoals are made largely from forest and shoreline deadfalls. Exploitation of bushmeat, particularly deer and turtle, is common. The river is the principal path of transportation for people and produce in the region, with transport ranging from balsa rafts and dogat canoes to hand-built wooden river crafts and model steel hull crafts. The life of people in the Amazon basin is slowly changing. In older days, the heart of forest could be only reached by navigating the river. In 1970, the Trans-Amazon Highway made all parts of the rainforest accessible. Aircraft and helicopters are also used for reaching various places. The developmental activities are leading to gradual destruction of the biological diversity though. It is estimated that large area of rainforest has been disappearing annually. In Amazon basin, you can see that the destruction of forest has much wider implications landscape. The topsoil is washed away as the rain falls and the lush forest turns into barren landscape. Now let's talk about Ganga-Brahmaputra basin. The basin is formed by tributaries of Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers called Ganga-Brahmaputra basin. The fertile plains, the Himalayas and the delta of Sundarbans are the main features of the basin. The area is also replenished by heavy showers of the monsoon season, bringing rainfall from June to September every year. The basin has hot summers and cold winters. The Ganga-Brahmaputra basin lies in the Indian subcontinent. It lies in the subtropical region, more precisely the northern subtropical region. The Ganga-Brahmaputra basin covers a large area in the continent of Asia. It is not limited to any one country. It spreads across 5 countries, that are the India, Nepal, China, Bhutan and Bangladesh. Ganga and Brahmaputra river have several left bank and right bank tributaries. Ghagra, Gandak, Son, Chambal and Kosi river are tributaries of the Ganga river. It joins the basin, whereas Tista, Meghna are tributaries of the Brahmaputra river, which join the basin. We could see the map given to get a clear idea of the tributaries. The topography of the basin is not same everywhere. It is varied in different places. The plains of Ganga and Brahmaputra basin are one of their kind, and they are world famous. However, the basin is not only including the plains but also the mountain region, which has steep slopes such as the mountain regions of Uttarakhand, Sikkim and regions of Nepal. The basin is a mixture of different kinds of landform which lead to different vegetation and agricultural activities. The plain, tropical deciduous trees are there. The bamboo groves are common in the plains of Brahmaputra. Mangrove forests are found in the delta region of the basin. Coniferous trees are found in hilly regions of Uttarakhand, Arunachal Pradesh and Sikkim. Paddy is the main crop here because of the easy and sufficient availability of water. Wheat, maize, millet, gram are the other crops. Cash crops like sugarcane and jute are also grown here. Banana and tree plantation, silk cultivation are also part of agricultural activities here. The common wildlife includes elephants, tigers, monkeys and deer. One-horned rhinoceros of India is also part of the basin, having the maximum population in Kaziranga National Park. Bengal tiger, crocodile and alligators are found in delta region. There are many different kinds of fishes also. A unique variety of dolphin is found in fresh water of the Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers, namely the Chuchu dolphin, which is also called blind dolphin. The Ganga-Brahmaputra plain has several big towns and cities on its banks. The cities of Allahabad, Kanpur, Varanasi, Lucknow, Patna and Kolkata, all with the population of more than 10 lakhs, are located along the river Ganga. The wastewater from these towns and industries is discharged into rivers. This leads to the pollution of the rivers. The plains of the basin are densely populated. such as Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, etc. The mountain region of the basin are having less population, such as Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, etc. All forms of transport are well developed in these plains. Roadway and railway are the major source of transportation developed everywhere in the basin. The two longest national highways, that are NH44 and NH27, pass through the basin. The railway station of Gorakhpur Junction, having the world's longest platform, is also situated here. Among the national waterways, NW1 and NW2 are also developed here. Kolkata is an important part of the river Hooghly. Various national and international airports are also present and well developed here. A lot of tourist places are also found in the basin, which is one of the major sources of the livelihood of the people here. One of the seven wonders of the modern world, that is Taj Mahal, is situated here. Various national parks or tiger reserves or Ramsar sites are part of the basin. For example, Panna National Park, Kaziranga National Park, Sundarbans, etc. Various temples or stupas are also present here, such as the Gaya Buddhist site, Temple of Varanasi, etc. That's all for this video. Thank you.